TEMPMi is a key-size thermometer you can travel with. You can simply use your phone or tablet as a power source. Once connected, the thermometer will start to work and let you get the results on the screen immediately. The thermometer features a built-in thermophile and infrared sensor. TEMPMi is compatible with all Android and iOS devices. It can measure almost anything including food and air temperatures. Its paired app can record and track the measurement data also. You can easily spot it in the dark thanks to its self-illuminating tritium light.